Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have another variation of the BoxyLuxe September box. Now this shows a new spoiler in it. So let's go ahead and look at this box and then we'll go over the new item in it. So first, this box you could see it has the Glow Recipe Pineapple Seed Bright Serum in it. And also the Sponge Gel Mani-Pedi Treatment and Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser. Then it's also got the SelfTaught Beauty 32mm Clipless Curling Wand. And it also has the Violet Voss Essentials 10-Pan Eyeshadow Palette. And the new item that is in this is the IGK Hair Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. Now that is valued at $29. And of course you know there is going to be more items in the box. As soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will update you guys. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video for me if you would, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.